If you want to record sounds on the Motorola signature, all you have to do is you need to go to the app drawer and you just need to find the recorder app. It should be there by default. It is pre-installed on your phone. So you can go to the recorder, press get started, tap on this arrow and then the check. You can also enable auto transcription if you want to. You can agree to use the AI recorder. There we go. We have the automatic detection of the language. And we need to grant permissions. There we go. Once it is ready to use, you can use this red button over here at the bottom of the screen. You might need to tap on the settings in here and go to the recorder in order to allow modes access, so that the phone can actually activate the silent mode, I believe, in the process. And there we go. Now we are, of course, recording a voice memo. So once you are done with it, you can just use the square button over here on the right side, right next to the red circle. If you want to, you can of course pause the recording for a second and then renew it if needed. So let's stop it. We can set up the name for the recording, of course. We have some details. You can also manage folders. We can even see the transcription after some time, and we can save the recording. There we go. You can of course play the recording quite easily. We can tap on the transcription over here. You can also generate a summary, which should appear after like a couple of seconds, I guess. The longer the recording is, the more time it takes. Here we can switch between the transcription view and the normal view. We have this pen that allows us to, for example, edit the recording to trim something. We can also toggle noise reduction in here. And here we have 3 dots, which allow us to use some additional tools. So that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.